Hey guys, well, we've been waiting for the next mods to do on the car. I figured I'd have to give it a detail anyway. It's been a little while. So in today's episode, I'm just going to give it a basic car wash. So here we are. To get started, we go back to basics, I guess. Before we sort of wash the car, we sort of go around and have a look. You'll find that there's a lot of dust on the paint, bird poop and all that. So we don't just like get right into it and soap it up and wash it. We don't want all that impurities sort of scratch the paint while you're washing the car. So first things first, we're just going to give it a quick rinse. So now that we've rinsed the car down, we'll go ahead and do the snow foam. The whole point of the snow foam is to collect all the debris that's sort of left over on the paint and sort of bring it to the surface. After we apply it, we'll just let it sit for like say 5-10 minutes tops, and then we'll rinse it off. And by the time you've done the rinse off, that's technically not done. Then we're going to do the next stage and use a mitt or a sponge to just give the car another wash and then rinse it all off. Let's get right onto it. As you can see here, I've picked a shaded area to do this. So we don't wait for the foam to sort of dry off. We just sort of let it sit there for 5 to 10 minutes as it collects all the dust and debris that's sort of left over on the paint. And after a little while, after that 5-10 minutes is over, we'll give it a rinse. Now that the car's rinsed off and the majority of the dirt has been taken off it, we go back to the old school way of just a mitt and car wash. Alright, so here we are after doing the wash and wax with the mitt. Car's looking pretty clean. Remember, I'm no expert, this is just a basic car wash. Usually after you do something like this, you'd chamois it, which I'm going to do in a minute. Car's all done. Look at that. Can't imagine what it's going to look like after I give it a good polish. Obviously I want to upgrade these wheels as well. Probably get something more dished in the back, staggered. But more on that later. And there you have it. Basic car wash. Hope you enjoyed that. See you next time.